In the rapidly transforming landscape of cryptocurrencies, the drive toward interoperability has become a defining objective. Blockchains, once isolated islands in a digital archipelago, are now being bridged by innovations that promise seamless interconnectivity. The recent adoption of LayerZero's OFT, Omnichain Fungible Token, standard by Beldex, a privacy-centric blockchain, offers a compelling illustration of this evolution, and its broader implications for both the crypto ecosystem and everyday users. Consider the traditional blockchain environment. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of other networks operate independently, each with its own rules, community, and technical constraints. Moving assets from one chain to another typically involved arduous processes, including slow and costly transactions or reliance on third-party bridges that carry security vulnerabilities. This fragmented structure has long been a bottleneck, curtailing efficiency and limiting user choice. LayerZero emerges in response to this challenge, serving as an underlying protocol that enables blockchains to communicate securely and effectively. At its heart lies the OFT standard. With OFT, a single token maintains its identity, value, and supply across multiple blockchains, dispensing with the previous need to mint duplicate tokens for each chain. This omnichain token concept ensures that, whether on Ethereum, BNB chain, or any supported blockchain, the same Beldex token exists, fluidly transferable and perfectly synchronized. The transformation wrought by this cross-chain capability is significant. Before LayerZero and OFT, Beldex was constrained within its native network, accessible only to those with targeted expertise or exposure to specific dApps. Now, Beldex is liberated. Its token moves smoothly between disparate blockchains, while the privacy-focused attributes that define the ecosystem remain intact. For the end user, the implications are manifest and immediate. Omnichain Beldex empowers individuals to transfer value with reduced latency and friction. No longer must one decipher complex bridging protocols or worry about the risks inherent to intermediaries. Instead, the user initiates a transfer. LayerZero's technology navigates the move between chains, and the OFT standard ensures the token supply, value, and privacy are preserved throughout. The mechanics are elegantly hidden, yielding a process that is both efficient and intuitive. Delving deeper, several core benefits become apparent. First is accessibility. The move to a cross-chain standard democratizes participation, allowing users from varied blockchain backgrounds to access and utilize Beldex without a steep technical learning curve. Second, liquidity is enhanced. With omnichain presence, Beldex tokens become available to a wider audience, promoting healthier markets and a more vibrant ecosystem. Third, transaction costs diminish. Fewer intermediaries translate into lower fees and less operational complexity, making it both cost-effective and user-friendly. Security also receives a boost. LayerZero's architecture mitigates the vulnerabilities prevalent in traditional bridges. Finally, the privacy ethos intrinsic to Beldex now travels beyond its original confines, reaching users across multiple chains and networks. Why does this matter on a philosophical level as much as a technical one? Crypto is not only about storing and transferring value, it is about building systems where fundamental rights, such as privacy, accompany value wherever it flows. The omnichain future is a world where users need not choose between utility and privacy, where assets can circulate freely and securely, and where innovation is no longer gated by the silos of isolated blockchains.